Disabling two-factor authentication on Google Meet can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Security section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your security settings. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down until you see the Signing into Google section. Here, you will find the option for two-step verification. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Disable two-step verification. In the two-step verification settings, you will see an option to turn it off. Click the Turn Off button and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Review your security settings. After disabling two-step verification, take a moment to review your other security settings to ensure your account remains secure without this feature. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on Google Meet. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.